pair of linear equations in two variables. An equation of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c belongs to R, a is not equal to 0, b is not equal to 0, and x, y are variables, is called a linear equation in two variables, or an equation of first degree in two variables. For example, 3x plus 7y is equal to 9. 2x minus y is equal to 0. When we draw two straight lines in a plane, we may get one of the three possibilities given below. Two lines intersect at a point, two lines are coincidental, two lines are parallel. Example: sum of two numbers is 6 and first number is 2 more than the second number. Represent this algebraically and graphically. Solution: let the first number be x and the second number be y. Given that the sum of two numbers is 6, it implies x plus y is equal to 6. Also, first number is 2 more than second number. It implies x is equal to y plus 2, or x minus y is equal to 2. Hence, the system of equations is x plus y is equal to 6, x minus y is equal to 2. To show this system graphically, we need to tabulate a few solutions of each equation. We see that the two lines intersect at 4, 2.